Hello, Assalamualaikum. It's very nice to meet you again. It's me, Indar, mom of Ayaran. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a tassel in two ways. First, as you see, I put it on. I attached it on my back, batik's backpack. But before I start, please support my channel by subscribe, leave your comment below, give me your thumbs ups and share. Thank you. Okay, let's get started with first ways. The tools I need here is a set of pliers, and here the screwdriver. Actually, we use the very small one, and this is a cap for tassel cap. And here I use 4 letters and some charms. And for the cap, if we buy, we have to remember to ask for a screw, and we better keep it on it so it would not lose. And for the length of the leather, it is up to the diameter of the cap, so we better roll it first and then try to put it inside. We also need a glue, but if you don't have one, we can use a double tape. It will work as good as a glue. Okay, what we are going to do first is cut the leather, and we have to make some part uncut. It is usually about 1 centimeter. It is depend on the depth of your cap. And here we have to make a mark on it, and we better make on the wrong side of the leather. And we can start cutting into a very small width, but if it hasn't straight yet, you have to cut it first, make it neat, and we can cut it in 2 ways. First, we can simply use a cutter or a rotary cutter, but we have to remember the mark we have made before as a boundary of the cutting. Try to cut in a same small width. But if you're not sure with cutting directly, you may make a mark on your wrong side of the leather. Just make a small dot or something like that. And then besides using the rotary cutter or regular cutter, we also can cutting the leather by using scissors. But if we use the scissor, I think it will be better if we cut from the good side, because we can hold the result of the cutting with our left hand. Okay, then with cutting, now we will put the double tape on it on the cutting side. Then we start rolling up. Make a tidy one, so it will sit neat on neat place. Okay, the leather is ready. Now we insert it into the cap. Difficulties. Don't forget to loosen the screw first. Well, after it sits very well on the cap, in the cap, then we push the screw on it. But to make it easier, our work easier, it's better for us to use something to make a hole on it, on the leather, such as owl. Okay, the screw has it neat and on in its place. Now it's time to make an addition with beautiful charms. You just put it on the ring and join it to the tassel we have made. The last thing to do is just attach it to the zipper or another parts of it we want to attach. Now we're going to the second way, how to make a tassel, and here we not use a cap anymore, and I've already made it in the tutorial in Bahasa Indonesia. I uploaded in my first channel, Ayaran Indar. And because we use rivets here, so I also use tools for rivet setting. For rivets and the tools for rivet setting itself, I plan to make separate tutorial. Now first we have to do is fold the leather and then fold it twice and then put it insert it into the D-ring on the zipper. I purchased the zipper in meters, so I just cut it as my desired length. And then I put a slider on it, and the slider itself already had a D-ring attached. Okay, then we use a clip to hold the leather on its place. And now it's time to make a hole with a leather punch. And make sure that the holes you want to make is fit with the diameter of your rivets. Here I use the double cap rivets. So first I put the parallel piece first, and then I put the cap on it. And remember that if to put the cap in the parts, in the good part, in the good side you want to expose. And of course here I also use rivet setting, and for the base I use the base who had exactly the same dimension with the rivets I will put on. Okay, then with the holder, well, let's say it was a holder, yeah. Now we will roll the leather. We already make a small cuts with the double tape. A little bit different with the first way. Now we will roll it into the holder we already prepare, and we have to roll it tight, and remember to make it as neat as possible. We have to manage where to start rolling, so the end of the leather will be on the back of the tassel. And then the last thing we have to do is to put a rivet on it, and the process is the same with the previous. which is we have to make a hole and then we put the rivet on it. Okay, our tassel is done, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, give your thumb ups, share, and leave your comment below. See you on my next tutorial. Assalamualaikum. See you.